Greetings, my dearest junkyard haters. This is your president, John Frederick Eating. Let's chat, shall we? Old men should not be guided by temper and excitement, but by sober, second thought. May our children be always successful, but successful or otherwise, always safe. Avoid junkyard if you would have peace. A young child is more exposed to a pedophile than a man of spirit. Do not bite at the bait of candy until you know there is no hook beneath it. Children do not disgrace old men, but occasionally old men disgrace children. There never was a time, in my opinion, could not be found to prevent the drawing of a pedophile. We will rebuild YouTube as it was meant to be. Values of the past shall be the foundation of our future. A future without junkyard. This is your president, John Frederick Eden, signing off.